Good morning. It's Friday, July 18th, 2025 at 8:33 in the morning. We just departed Dawson City, Yukon on the ferry going to the top of the world highway on our way to Fairbanks. So, beautiful, beautiful morning in Dawson City. We're gonna drive halfway. We're gonna drive almost to Fairbanks today or somewhere and spend the night, and then tomorrow we're gonna head towards the Denali National Park and see Mount McKinley. Hopefully the weather is like this, because it will be an incredible sight. If it's socked in, you won't see it. Was once there 45 years ago or so. It's a pretty nice place. Amazing, amazing mountain. So, the dogs are in the back seat. Bullet's happy. Is Bullet happy? Huh? How about Lightning? Is Lightning happy, puppy? Yes, Lightning a happy puppy. It's a good girl, huh?
The milepost, Atlas, don't leave home without it.
Yeah. The milepost.
Don't leave home without this.
Very, very good book to have. It just, I mean, the GPS is one thing, but that will help you immensely. And it gives you so much information and history and everything about where you're at. It's really great. So, we're almost across the Yukon River and ready to dock and head up the top of the world highway. Just absolutely amazing that this is
free.
and it's a free ferry. So it's 3 free ferries that we've gone on in the last couple of days. The Peel River, McKenzie River, and now the Yukon. Pretty awesome. Anyway, gotta go, gotta get off.